Hello. Today we're going to talk about the notes for section 5.2 in the Algebra 2 homework. It begins with some vocabulary terms. You can probably copy those out of your book pretty easily. I thought I'd work through some of the examples and checkpoints for you so you can check how you're doing. First of all, we have example 1, identify polynomial functions. There are two functions here. We have function A. Excuse me on that. We have function A, and we have function B, and they're both a little different. So first of all, we're supposed to address what's going on with function A. Function A says the function blank, and the answer is not a polynomial function because the term, here we're looking at 4x to the 2.5 has an exponent that is not an integer. Polynomial functions have to have all their variable exponents be integers. Okay. And then, in contrast, function B, so the function B is a polynomial function, written as, so it says in standard form. So here we were looking for in order, so 9x to the 4th plus x squared plus 3.7x. That way you have the decreasing powers. Starts with x to the 4th, then x squared. We'd have an x cubed first, but we don't have any, then an x. It has degree 4, the highest power of your x variable, and the word for that is quartic, like a quart of milk with an ick on the end, I guess, and has a leading coefficient of 9. That would be the number in front of the highest power. That is what's going on example 1. If we turn to page 2 for just a moment, then we have this checkpoint, state the degree, type, and leading coefficient of this function. Okay, so we're looking for the highest power, and the highest power is this term, negative 3x to the 4th. So its degree is 4. The type is quartic, because it's to the 4th. There are some terms in your book. Knowing these names is not that important. You should know squares, quadratics, cubics. After that, whatever. And then leading coefficient. And the leading coefficient is negative 3, right? Because the number in front of x to the 4th is negative 3. Okay, now that's all for example 1. I'll come back to you in the next one with example 2. Thank you.